Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and if you're new, thank you for stopping by. Please check out our videos about refinishing, flooring installation, and we'll show you a new project we do. Refinishing, repair a beautiful hardwood floor, and what other flooring contractors they messed up and they do wrong. We can fix everything. Thank you again.
Need to repair what other guys did wrong. Cannot do this through the solid. Like this. No glue. Everything is second. Okay. No glue. No glue. No glue. Barely they put glue, and plus they did a dark glue. They barely put. Fix this. Gonna cut a nice. If you cut the wood, now getting ready to lay down. Everything is gonna be perfect, fits perfect.
Let's see. And I'm going to cut everything. Don't need chance of glue.
That's, I don't know, expanding on trucks. But anyway, we're gonna put some weights and tomorrow we'll check it. So now we're removing everything, cut the hole again. Make sure everything fits perfect and nice. Okay, and put it on the side. For just a little bit, I got it in the bucket. Not new, but time. Gotta take a break a little so I can open the other bucket. It's empty. We open the bottom of the bucket because it's too dry. Some of them we left the time Then we put on the groove, the bottom, then here, but all everything, the glue holding up. You cannot cut the whole tiny groove. That's what the other thing. Some of them can't hold the glue, hold it back down, keep it even, to keep it pretty even. This one the same, here to the left, because otherwise we couldn't do. We cut the tongue again and then a little deeper. Here we stretch on the inside. We cut the groove. The last piece, nice. Perfect. It's better, nicer. Tomorrow morning we'll check it. Should be no hollow spots. If we have enough weights. Over there, those two spots over here behind us. I just finished to glue down the engineer with the repairs. It's almost 9 p.m. It's gonna be perfect dry up tomorrow, so we can go ahead with the sanding to continue. Hopefully this will pull out the floor. Now it's nice, everything beautiful. I got a little too late. The guys just start sanding already. But good thing we pulled out everything, because otherwise this is an engineer who would ruin a beautiful oak floor. So we're ready to finish up and finish sanding, buffing, putting the stain, and then finish another day, 2 days maybe. How beautiful it turned out, the repairs. Nice. Guys, let me know in the comments what you think. If you like what we did, how we fixed the floor, like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you.